enough of us do not know that the brain is capable of changing its own activity. You just have to give it a catalyst in which to do so. And so you just said the word neurofeedback. So for a lot of people that don't know what that is the form of therapy that we utilize in our centers to help our patients heal and get better from all things anxiety, depression, trauma, seizures, concussions, stress management, etc. Neurofeedback, without going into a very long spiel of it, is basically the way that you're able to reward the brain for changing its own activity. And much like the process of anything that you learn that can be a new learned habit, so riding a bike, driving a car, brushing your teeth, walking as a kid, right? You don't think about doing those things on a day-to-day basis. Your brain runs over those same neurological pathways every single day subconsciously. So luckily we don't have to relearn how to walk when we wake up every morning, right? That is what we did in the neurofeedback clinic with myself, and that is now the offering that I give at our centers is neurofeedback. You create new habitry of the brain by giving it reward.